Milo! Can you please? I want to show you something.
Yeah.
This is gonna be a short one.
Hello. Hello.
Oh.
Sorry.
Who are you?
Milo Roselle.
And how do I know you?
You're my son. I'm your son.
I want to show you something.
Clap on. Clap off.
Here, let's go to Facebook and we'll see my page.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Look. Can you read this?
In case you hadn't seen the CJA Day 1 vlog, the best 5 seconds courtesy of Kevin,
Dumo.
and Brittany, Nicole, Milo, and Spirit.
Okay, ready? You want to see this video?
Mm-hmm.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
It's a whip pan?
Yeah.
Whip pan. Whip pan.
Where do you think they got that from?
Me.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Do you think they did the whip pan right?
Mm-hmm.
If you gave them a score, like a 5-star rating, where 0 is that's not good at all, but 5 is like an amazing score, what would you give Dumo and Brittany for their star rating?
4.
4? Really?
Mm-hmm.
What do they have to do to make it a 5?
Like, I don't know. I don't know.
I think you have to give them a 5. If you can't justify why it's only a 4 out of 5, I think you have to give them a 5.
Okay.
So then what?
5.
5.